Ask the Attorney segment is brought to you by John Michael Bailey Injury Lawyers.
It's Ask the Attorney Wednesday, and joining us live in the Fox 13 studio to answer your questions about accidents is attorney John Michael Bailey.
Good morning, everybody.
All right, our first question. Winston from East Memphis said he was sideswiped by an 18-wheeler and he hit a guardrail. The trucking company blamed him, and he says he has dash cam video, but the company won't review it. What can he do?
Well, first of all, don't expect the trucking company to ever try to do the right thing on the front end, okay? They're never going to send a kidnap van over to your driveway full of gold doubloons and just dump them out. That's not going to happen. What most likely happened is they had their safety committee out there on the scene before the police got there trying to make it your fault. Yes, they do that. Will they hide evidence? Yes. Will things disappear? Yes. Thank goodness you've got a dash cam. You keep that. Now, you're going to have to get somebody, anybody, to stand up and fight that trucking company tooth and nail to make them do the right thing. Now, you can try that yourself. You can call anybody in town. But I would love to hear from you, and you can call me right now at 888-WE-FIGHT, and we mean it.
Marla from Memphis says someone rear-ended her at a red light and pushed her through the intersection. She was then hit by another car and is now hurt. The person hit her is responsible, but the person she hit says she's at fault.
Okay, this is a typical T-bone intersection where you got hit, you got pushed through into the traffic, you were stopped for the light, you got pushed into the traffic. The person who is behind you is responsible for every bit of this. Now, let's hope that person has insurance. If they do not, then let's hope that you have what? What do I talk about every time I'm on this program? Uninsured motorist coverage. Because if you have uninsured motorist coverage, they will step in and replace the insurance that the other person should have had. Now listen, if you can hear my voice, check your policy. Make sure you've got uninsured motorist coverage. If you do not, call your agent. He'll be happy to hear from you. And when you get them on the phone, buy as much as they will sell you. Be very careful, because a lot of the low-rent insurance companies will trick you into not getting it because they don't want to pay for it. They don't want to help. So what you need to do is you need somebody to dig in, do all the investigation, find out all the facts, and make the person who hits you and their coverage, and we hope they have it, do the right thing. Now, you can do that yourself. You can call anybody in town. But I would love to hear from you, and you can call me right now at 888-WE-FIGHT, and we mean it.
All right, our last question. Becky from Bartlett says a van ran a stop sign and hit his passenger side. She broke her arm. The insurance company wants him to sign a paper and says he'll get a check tomorrow. What should she do?
Don't sign the paper. Once you sign that paper, the insurance company is going to forget your name, your number. They won't call you. They won't send you flowers. Nothing. Nothing. It's over. And you will still be treating. You will still be hurting. You will still be losing wages. Now, can they come in there and wave a nickel under your nose and get you to sign away your case? Yes, that's legal, okay? I can't write you and tell you what your rights are for at least 30 days, but the insurance company can come in and steal your case away from you. Never, ever sign anything without letting me see it first. So, don't sign the paper. If you've got a broken arm and the insurance adjuster comes to you, wants to hand you a check for a quick release, that means that they know you've got a good case and they're trying to get out of it cheap. Now, you already know they're not going to do the right thing, so you can try and fight through all this yourself, gather all the facts, get all the evidence and present it, and try to deal with somebody who's already tried to cheat you, or you can call anybody else in town, or you can call me, because I would love to hear from you, and you can call me right now at 888-WE-FIGHT, and we mean it.
All right, thank you so much, John Michael Bailey, live in the Fox 13 studio. But let's switch gears now, get a check of the forecast. Fox 13 meteorologist Brittany DeBose.
7:48 at Fox 13 has weather and traffic.